Hello and welcome to the 1K Challenge Roadmap, your roadmap to becoming a Solavei Thousandaire. We're so excited you're here, that you've chosen to get started with Solavei and help us birth this amazing revolution in commerce. Well, today we are wanting to talk about how you can move from getting free mobile service all the way up to impacting your world. We here at Solavei are about empowering people, and it all starts with you. The first thing we want to do is help you get started, get plugged into the right tools, and then show you how to start making enough money that you can earn free mobile service. Get that mobile phone bill cleared off your budget once and for all. And then we're going to show you how this can impact your life by becoming a Solavei Thousandaire. We've asked that question: what would an extra $1,000 per month mean to you and your family? And you know what? It's not surprising to know that people say it would change my life. Well, beyond that, we want to show you how to help others do the same. And that's when you begin to impact your world. You, your life, and your world. Well, we start with you and free mobile service. How does that take place? Well, when you enroll 9 people, or what we call 3 trios in Solavei, you'll be earning enough money to pay for that $49 unlimited voice, text, and data. Every 3 people that you enroll in Solavei, you're going to actually get paid $20 a month every single month, as long as they stay on Solavei service. So you can see there, you'd get $20 a month. Get your second trio, and that would be $40 a month. And then get a third, that would be $60 a month. And that's more than enough for you to pay for that mobile service every single month. But we're going to encourage you, don't stop there. We would love to see Solavei begin to impact your life as you join the 1K Club. Become a Thousandaire, where you're earning more than $1,000 a month simply by sharing Solavei mobile service with others. 1K Club members, well, they receive all kinds of recognition and awards, and we want to see you there as quickly as possible. And that's truly what the 1K Challenge Roadmap is all about, giving you a roadmap to get there. You provide the effort, Solavei provides the opportunity. And then, of course, when you think about it, ask yourself that question: what would an extra $1,000 a month mean to you? Well, I think if you really dug down deep, you would say that would change my world. Well, and that's what we want to talk about, helping you create other Thousandaires, becoming a Thousandaire and then turning around and creating a ripple effect of change in the lives around you. That really is the ultimate goal, the ultimate challenge, is to drive down the cost of commerce and make it profitable so that we can see more lives change and the economics of this country and others truly flipped. Well, so when you join the challenge, what happens? Joining the challenge is very important because it automatically engages you in a system of training. You're going to receive 90-day email coaching, basically number of emails back to back for the first, I believe it's 7 to 15 days. And then every 3 to 5 days, you're going to get an email from Solavei that's going to teach you about social media marketing. It's going to talk to you about the tools that you can plug into. It's going to give you proven strategies used by our top members. You're going to be able to see tutorials and engage in the community, as well as get inspiring stories and motivation as you continue your journey with Solavei. So let's talk about getting started. You've heard it before: get in, get social, and get free. Well, let's start with what it means to get in. You want to plug into the people, the support, and the resources that are going to help you share Solavei with others. When you enroll in Solavei, there's a few important things that you want to remember. Number 1 is remember that start date. And even if you're listening to this and you've been involved in Solavei, make today your day 1. Because your day 1, you want to step out and take massive action in the development of your business. The second thing you want to take note of is your ID number. Now, that ID number is very important because that's going to be the number that Solavei member support recognizes you by if you should have any questions. Now, the other thing is your username. That is how you will be recognized in the community by other members. So you've got your start date, your ID number, and your username. And then, of course, make sure you've got a couple really good lifelines. Your direct sponsor, get their phone number that if you have any questions that you can reach out and contact them, and then find someone else in Solevay, maybe someone in your upline or somebody throughout the network that you can consider a mentor, that you always have two people that you can reach out to when you are in a time of need or have any questions. Well, then, of course, you want to get plugged in to member support. There are some incredible tools that Solevay offers, like my.solevay.com, where you can check on your account information. We call it your back office, your outreach manager, your network. You can see who's activated and not activated. You can send emails to your team, your PC1. Of course, socials.solevay.com. When we have live socials with our CEO and founder, Ryan Wirch, you're going to be able to check them out right there. SolevayGear.com is how you can brand yourself Solevay. T-shirts, backpacks, hats, and a lot more. You want to make sure that you show up branded everything Solevay. Let people know that you are proud to be a Solevay member and that you are a part of the revolution. Then, of course, tap into all of the social sites, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Get plugged in to everything Solevay. And then when you have any questions, go to support.solevay.com. You're probably not the first to ask that question. And what's great about support.solevay.com, it's the same tool that our member support staff uses in order to answer the question. So you can actually resource yourself to become educated with Solevay. And then number 3, plug into your team tools. What are those team tools and where can you find them? Well, go to empoweredliving.biz and you're going to see our website for our team and all of the incredible tools for both online marketing and offline marketing to support your business. Just more tools and resources for you to be able to tap in and learn more about Solevay. Again, you can access all the registration links at empoweredliving.biz. Well, that leads us to Get Social. This is where you're going to start sharing Solevay with others. You want to make it a plan to become a thousandaire within 90 days or less. Now, think about this. If you were able to do that, what would that $1,000 mean to you? That's $12,000 a year. Even if it took you an entire year to really learn the methods of Solevay, learn the tools in the system. What if it took you an entire year to become a thousandaire? Well, I like to say 1 year to learn, 1 year to earn, and 3 to 5 to build a long-term sustainable business. Now, you know there are many like myself that were able to do it in that 90-day period and even less. But we want you to encourage yourself to know it doesn't matter how fast you get there, just don't stop. Stay social and keep sharing. Number 1 is you want to understand the basics. And you can watch the Solevay overview tutorial at support.solevay.com, or you can find it also on empoweredliving.biz. It's going to teach you the basics of Solevay and what you need to know about our rewards program. Well, let's start with the one building block that everyone needs to know, and that is a trio. A trio basically happens when you or someone in your network personally enrolls 3 people to Solevay. When you enroll 3 people to Solevay like this, you would get paid $20 a month. Well, it's important for you to know what a trio is because a trio is what turns on the compensation plan for you. There's no money paid out until you get your first trio. That's why we encourage you to get that first trio your first week so that you really feel the engine get in place. Well, number 2, we want you to create a list. Before you get out there just randomly talking to people, make a list of 15 people that you know who use a phone. And when you think about that list, now of course you probably know hundreds. In fact, they say that we all know thousands and thousands of people, even if we can't think of their names. But if you can just think of 15 people that use a phone that you could get their name and email and potentially a phone number from, you want to make sure that you're contacting people out of the gate in your warm market that you like, love, and trust. Most importantly, you want to look for some solid business builders that can join you in this journey that believe as well that the Solevay revolution is something worth joining, participating, and giving their attention to. So create that list, and then finally we're going to show you how to use the Solevay tools Outreach Manager, and the Solavei online marketing system to be able to get social and start sharing with others. Now we're going to talk about your 90-day goals. Remember, what would an extra $1,000 a month mean to you and your family? The reason why I ask that again is because maybe it is a car payment, a house payment, maybe it's paying off those school loans, maybe it's going to give you the ability to get the insurance that you've needed for your family. Maybe it's going to give you an opportunity that your wife can actually stay home with the kids, or give you a chance to not have to take that nighttime shift so you can be with your family. Whatever it is to you, your why has to be important. Now, the plan I'm about to show you, it's an aggressive 90-day plan. Now, remember, there's no time restriction with Solavei. You can take as long as you want to achieve these goals. But I'm going to show you how to take the 90-day plan and take action immediately. In your first 30 days, you want to think about getting a trio every week. So if you've just gotten started, this your first week, you want to make sure that you get a trio this week. Go out and find 3 people that want to save money. Now, remember, we're not talking about a big activation fee. There's no upfront kit that they have to buy. There's no $900 distributor package. There's no auto ship. All it is, just help people save some money on their cell phone. So you're going to be able to see that the numbers move a little faster when you are taking this aggressive approach. Have a trio a week, and first week, get a trio, check it off there. Second week, get a trio, check it off. And then in your 60-day plan, you want to have a total of at least 5 trios. Now you'll see that's a little extra time for you to be able to do that, giving you a little padding. But it's important because when we look at your 90-day plan, there's some requirements to becoming a thousandaire. The requirements to becoming a thousandaire, getting paid $1,000 a month, every single month residual, is that you have to have 18 trios in your personal connections 1 and your personal connections 2. Now, what does that mean? That means everyone you bring into Solavei and everyone they bring into Solavei. So 2 tiers. In those 2 tiers collectively, you've got to have 18 trios. However, 5 of those 18 have to be in your PC1. You could have all 18 in your PC1, but at least 5 of them have to be personally brought in by you. Now you can see that's why we said in the first 60 days, go get yourself 5 trios. Now me personally, I went out and got all 18 myself. And you can do it however you want to. You want to be as aggressive or as laid back in this plan as you desire. But the 90-day plan here is an aggressive plan to get you to become a thousandaire in 90 days or less. And that's why we say have a trio a week mentality. And if you will teach your team to do the same thing, go out and find 15 people, help them get 15 people. You're going to be able to see how massive geometric progression can take place. Okay, now I'm going to give you a little example of some things that you can actually ask others to help you kind of create the conversation. Like George says up in the corner, keep it simple, say less to more people, and then get their email. You want to get that email. Let's take a look at this. And these 6 questions are going to help you start sharing. Now, what's interesting about these 6 questions, they actually came from our CEO and founder, Ryan Wirch, who was sharing with his 8-year-old son how to share Solavei with his friends and teachers. Check out these very simple questions. Number 1, what kind of phone do you use? You could be standing in an elevator, see someone on their phone, and just say, hey, what kind of phone is that? Second question, who's your mobile service provider? Third question, do you mind me asking how much you're paying every month? They may look at you a little odd, but you're going to follow it up with, you know what, I work for a company. Right now, we're helping people get unlimited voice, text, and data on a 4G network for only $49 a month. And we even have a program where you can get it free so that that mobile phone bill is taken off your budget for good. Would you mind if I send you a short video showing you how you could do this? And when they say that's fine, say, well, you mind just give me your email. That's what you want to do. That is a 60-second, 30-second elevator ride up. You want to get in, get that email, and get out. You don't want to spend a lot of time talking about contracts and talking about data. You want to immediately just say, listen, I'll answer all those questions. I just want you to take a look at the video first, and then I'll contact you back later on this evening. Remember, keep it simple, say less to more people, and get that email. Okay, this is where it starts to really get fun. Like George says, we're going to go fishing for your first trio, and we're going to use the Solavei social tools to do that. Outreach Manager and your Solavei online marketing system. Now remember the list we made just a few minutes ago of about 15 people from your warm market. Well, we're going to use those folks. We're looking for some key leaders to help build your business. Now, one of the things you want to think about doing is inviting those folks to take a look at the tools that are provided by Solavei. I encourage you to contact your list and let them know you're going to be sending them a video to watch. It increases your rate of conversion if they're actually expecting it and not feeling like they're getting pitched something. So if it's a good friend, call them up and say, hey, listen, I think I found a social network that's actually going to pay us for being online. I'm going to shoot you over a video. Take a look at it. Can I call you tonight at 6 or 8 o'clock? Which would be best for you? Let's say they say 9 o'clock. Say, okay, I'll call you at 9 and I'll talk to you about it then. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Outreach Manager and you're going to put the list of the names of those people, specifically one at a time. I like to make it very, very personal. And you're going to choose a video to send them, and then you're going to also include a personalized message that links them back to your sharesolavei.com. I'm going to show you what that looks like now. So here is your Outreach Manager, and you access this through my.solavei.com. When you go inside there, you can see at the top, it says Outreach. You're going to click on the Outreach button, and it's going to open up this screen where you're going to see the Invite tab. Click on it, and you're going to be able to see how you can send the What is Solavei video to your contacts. Now you can go ahead and watch it there if you'd like to. It's about a minute long, and just send that via email. Now when you do that, when you click send via email, it's actually going to pull up this screen. And you're going to have to fill in the information, first name, last name, and the email. Now again, I encourage you using this almost like a direct target. This is like fishing directly for a fish, almost like fly fishing. You see the fish, you're going directly after it. You're going to put the name, last name, and email, and then down in your message, I like to make it personal. Now it's very, very simple. Like you'll see here, hey Lisa, great chatting with you today. Here's the email I said I would send. I'll tell you about a cool social network I found that's actually paying people to share. Now once you check out the video, I'm going to call you and tell you how I'm using this to pay off my school loan and get free mobile service every single month. They even gave me a free marketing system that you can visit at georgerocks.sharesolavei.com. I'll call you at 9, George. Now you can see that's a little bit more personal than the one that it comes with. And I like to make it personal every single time because it really increases the feeling that someone's not getting sold something or pitched something, but you really are creating a connection. Now once you send that, and you can see how I put on there, them sending them back to my sharesolavei.com site. Why is that? Because not only am I going to be sending them this direct video, but when they go to my sharesolavei.com site, you're going to see that it's going to have my landing page where they're going to be able to put in their name and email. It's going to give them another short video, but if they want to watch the full tour, they're going to be able to go into that tour, and that's going to automatically, when they put in their information right there and click Start Tour, it's automatically going to kick them into 8 autoresponders over the course of the next 30 days that are going to talk about the mobile social revolution. It's going to talk about Solavei. It's going to talk about who the leaders are behind Solavei. Basically dripping on them for 30 days. That, again, they say 8 to 12 touches is what it takes to convert someone online. So this is going to be an automatic follow-up system in addition to your Outreach Manager. So that's why I always leave a reference in my emails. Hey, check out my marketing site from Solavei. Now, when we go back and we talk about using the tools and inviting, you've made the invite, you included a personalized message that links them back to your Share Solavei site. Then you want to make sure that you follow up. At 9 o'clock, you'd call up Lisa. Hey, Lisa, what did you like most about what you saw? She may say, wow, it looks really cool. I mean, just saving money right now. You know, we've got that kids expensive that's really, really crazy. And just saving a few extra bucks would mean a lot. Well, you automatically know right there, Lisa needs to make some extra money. Or maybe Lisa says, you know what, I like what I see, but I'd like to know more about the compensation plan. Well, say, hey, Lisa, that's awesome. I'm going to shoot you over another video. It's going to tell you how the money's made. Then you go back into your contact tracker in your list, and you're going to go back into your Outreach Manager, and you're going to send her the compensation video. And you're going to use those tools one after another until she's ready to enroll. Now, what's really great about this, when I say track your list in your contact tracker, when you go into your contact tracker, after you've sent it, they're going to show up in your contact tracker. Now you can see Lisa down there, she goes by Liz. She's watched part of the video, but she didn't watch all of it. Now Sam Walter, check him out. He is a fish online. He watched that whole video and he is ready for another follow-up. So he even signed the guest book, and we're going to make sure that we get in there and send him another video. Bob up there, you can see he opened the invite email, but he didn't watch the whole thing. So I know that when I reach back out to Bob, I got to do something different than I did. This is an amazing follow-up tool in your Outreach Manager, and using this along with your Share Solavei site that does some of the touching for you, the two of these are a slam dunk. Now, when we go back into invite, follow-up, then once you continue to send another invite, each time you send that invite, make sure that you're telling them about your sharesolavei.com, because again, once they're in that system, it's going to do some auto-responders on your behalf, and that's really, really good. But once they're ready to enroll, just tell them, hey, it's time to get their first trio and start saving. And once enrolled, you want to make sure you send them to your team site, empoweredliving.biz, and tell them, go ahead and get started, get in, get social, get free. It's a 3-step process. It's going to show them important videos. It's going to show them this roadmap to train them how to become a thousandaire, and they're going to be able to feel plugged in with a lot of other leaders that are making it happen in Solavei. Encourage them to take the 1K challenge. Everyone that enrolls should take the 1K challenge so that they can go through this tutorial experience, so that they can get those 90 days of email coaching that you're going to get when you enroll in the 1K challenge. And they're going to be able to help connect with their upline leaders as they're getting their first trio. And that leads us to number 3. Get free. Okay, that's why we're here, right? We want to get free mobile service, become a thousandaire, and then create thousandaires around us. How do we do that? Number 1, earn free mobile. You're going to go out with the intent to get 3 trios or 9 people personally enrolled by you into Solavei. Then you're going to make it your effort. Continue sharing and become a thousandaire. When you do, you're going to join our 1K club of Solavei thousandaires. And you're going to be able to see you're a part of a great group, awesome recognition that takes place, and we're going to celebrate you as being one of many thousandaires that we have in Solavei. And then finally, you're going to move beyond yourself and start looking to your team and say, all right, who can I help become thousandaires as well? And what is that going to do? Number 1, you're going to increase your income, obviously, as you continue to help others and increase in rank. There's also, once you pass the thousandaire mark, you will become what we call a social connector. As a social connector and on up, you're going to begin to realize that there is equity able to be earned with Solavei. That makes you now a true brand partner, and of course, you're going to have the potential to change a lot of people's lives. Remember, it's all about you, your life, and impacting your world. So let's get started today. Of course, you've probably already gotten in and become a Solavei social member. We're excited to have you. Now you want to get social. Start sharing Solavei with your friends and family and get that first trio. When you get that first trio, contact your upline and try to contact somebody as far up as you can in the organization and say, I got my first trio and I'm headed to become a thousandaire. And then finally, get free. Get 3 trios, and that's enough to pay for your mobile service every single month, and then turn around and help others do the same. This has been the 1K Challenge Roadmap. I hope that you are excited about becoming a Solavei thousandaire, because we do know that there's a lot of people that need what Solavei has, and it all begins with you.